Hello, I am Priya from Florida Estate. How can I help you today?
Hi Priya, could you please help me with finding properties in Pune?
I can certainly help you find properties. Before we dive in, could you please confirm if you meant Pune instead of Puma?
Yeah, in Pune.
Thank you for clarifying. To help you best, could I please get your full name?
My name is Kartik Kumar,
Thank you, Kartik. And what is your mobile number? I'll read it back to you to confirm.
8071521920.
Thank you, Kartik. Just to confirm, your mobile number is 807-152-1920. Is that correct?
Correct?
Great. Now, what is your budget range for a property in Pune in lakhs or crores?
Yeah, I have 2.5 CR.
Thank you. And what is your preferred location or area in Pune?
To correct you, it is 2.5 CR, not 5 crore.
Thank you for clarifying, Kartik. So your budget is 2.5 crores. Now, regarding the location, do you have a preferred area or locality in Pune?
Yeah, I'm looking in the locality of Kharadi and Hinjawadi.
Thank you, Kartik. And what is your timeline for buying a property? Are you ready to buy now within 3 to 6 months or just exploring?
Yeah, I am ready to buy now.
That's great to hear. And what is your financing status? Are you pre-approved for a home loan, planning to apply for a loan, a cash buyer, or not decided yet?
Yeah, I am actually a cash buyer.
That's excellent, Kartik. Based on what you've shared, I'd love to set up a free consultation with one of our property advisors. No commitment at all. Would you be open to scheduling one?
Yeah, sure.
Great. What would be your preferred date for the consultation?
Yeah, please look in 1st of June in this year.
You mentioned June 1st for the consultation. What would be your preferred time on that day?
Yeah, at 10 o'clock in the morning.
And what would be your preferred format for the consultation? A phone call, Google Meet, or an office visit?
Yeah, the office visit will work for me.
Great. And finally, what is your email address so we can send you a confirmation for the consultation?
Yeah, it is pradipforEducation@gmail.com.
Let me check the availability for your preferred date and time. The time slot on June 1st, 2026 at 10 a.m. appears to be available. I'll go ahead and book that for you. Your appointment is confirmed for June 1st at 10 a.m. for an office visit. A confirmation email with all the details has been sent to pradipforduciation@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yeah, that awesome. Thank you.
You're most welcome, Kartik. Thank you for choosing Florida Estate. Feel free to reach out if you have any other questions. Have a wonderful day.